Determine the slope of a line passing through the following points. Let us begin. So here, let's go through a brief recapitulation of the idea. Let's say we have a point A. A has the coordinates x1, y1. B is another point with the coordinates x2, y2. Let's join point A and point B with the help of a straight line. Now we can determine the slope of this particular line, which we will be denoting by the letter m in lowercase. So it's given by a ratio. In the ratio, the numerator will be the difference of the y coordinate, and in the denominator we have the difference of the x coordinate. Right. So that's how we can obtain the slope of a line formed by joining any 2 points. So let's begin with our first problem. So here we have 2 points with the coordinates 3, 2 and 1, 4. So let's find out the slope. So we're going to call it m1. So this will be equals to, in the numerator we'll start by calculating the difference of the ordinates, or the difference of the y coordinate. That's 4 minus 2, and in the denominator we have the difference of the abscissor, or the x coordinate. So that's 1 minus negative 3. That's going to be equals to 2 over 4, or simply 1/2. So that means the slope of the line formed by joining the 2 points, negative 3, 2 and 1, 4, is going to be 1/2. Let's go to the next problem. So here we have the points 3, negative 5 and 1, 2. So the slope of this particular line, which is formed by joining the 2 points, that will be 2 minus negative 5, that's the difference of the y coordinate, divided by 1 minus 3, which is the difference of the x coordinate. So we have 7 over negative 2, or simply we can say negative 7 over 2. Fine. Now we'll find out the slope of the third line. So here we have the first point with coordinates at1 squared, 2at1. And the other point has the coordinates at2 squared, 2at2. So if we join the 2 points with the help of a straight line, then the slope of that line is going to be the difference of the y coordinate 2a2 minus 2at1 divided by the difference of the x coordinate. So that's at2 squared minus at1 squared. So we can take 2a as the common factor in the numerator. So we have 2a multiplied to 2t minus 21 divided by, if we take a as the common factor, then we have 2t squared minus t1 squared, which is the difference of squares. The difference of squares can be also expressed as the product of t2 minus t1 times t2 plus t1. So here we can factor out t2 minus t1 from the numerator and the denominator, also, or a from the numerator and the denominator, and then we get the final value of the slope of m3 as 2 over t2 plus t1. So this is how we can obtain the slope of any line which is formed by joining the 2 given points.